the powers are going to be the same. We just saw that a few moments ago. So over here, for instance, I said that 3 to the negative 2 equals 3 to the y. They have the same base. So we said that y is equal to negative 2. Here, we said that 10 to the third power equals 10 to the y. They have the same base. So we said that y is equal to 3. So here's a more in general. If I have b to the power of m equals b to the power of n, I can say that the powers are the same. So we need that for this lesson. So here's the problem that I raised a minute ago. So what if I tell you 2 to the x equals 64? So I have to get it in a certain form. So this would be 2 to the x, but I know that 64 is 2 to the 6th power. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 6 times. So it gives you 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, 16, 32 is 64. So I have it in a form that looks like this. B to the m equals b to the n. So I can set these equal to each other. They have the same base, 2. So that means x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. Has to be the answer. What about this one? So I have 2 to the 2x minus 1 equals 32. So I know that 32 is actually 2 to the 5th power because, again, if I multiply that by itself 5 times, I'm going to get 32. So I can say that 2 to the x minus 1 equals 32 is really 2 to the 5th power. So the powers are going to be 2x minus 1 and 5. So because they have the same base, I can say those powers are equal to each other. So this is a simple 1-degree equation. So if we solve it, we get 2x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 3. Again, we're trying to solve for x. That's our goal. Any questions? Does it make sense? With this one. So what if I tell you 32 to the x equals 8? How would I solve that? Well, what do you know about 32? We just did that a minute ago. We said 32 is 2 to the 5th power. So if I say 32 to the x, that means 2 to the 5th power, right, is 32 to the power of x. Now, 8 is really the same thing as 2 to the 3rd power. Because if I multiply 2 by itself 3 times, I get 8. In mathematics, if you take a power and you raise it to an exponent raised to a power means that I can multiply the exponents together. So a to the m raised to the n would be a to the m times n. So here I have 2 to the 5th to the power of x. So that means 2 to the 5 times x equals 2 to the 3rd power. So again, they have the same base, 2. So I can set these equal to each other, these powers. So I get 5x equals 3. So if I divide both sides by 5, then all of a sudden I have my result that I want. So this is the answer, 3/5. Any questions?